Hello. I'm kind of stupid. I forgot to record an intro for this. So here it is. I decided I was going to build a desk for my room. I recently bought some stuff for my computer, and I felt like I needed a real desk, an actual setup. And I couldn't find anything that I really liked or wanted to pay that kind of money for. So I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I can do this. So I enlisted the help of my brother-in-law, and this is me and him building what is going to be my desk. Enjoy.
I'm feeling so hollow.
Alright, so we got hopefully, all the material we need. First step is going to be planing out all the boards. So, fun.
Living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold.
Floor's yours.
So we just finished planing. All the boards are nice and smooth. Took number 2 lumber, now it's number 1 lumber. And now we're gonna go ahead and break out the saw and start cutting the wood to size.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Don got a new saw. It's kind of badass.
Awesome. Christmas came early.
Yeah.
Yes, I did. And I did it.
Alright, so we got all of our cuts to get started, so we're going to go ahead and start framing this thing out. Let's do it.
Let's get it done.
Oh. They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Legs are built. Time to put them together.
Let's put these things together. Alright. So we're going.
So this is going to be the far left one,
Alright.
and then this is that kind of centery piece,
Okay.
and then
And these are going
2 on the back.
on the
and then
back side
one-
like this, right?
Yeah, 1 flush and then 1 level with these, and
Alright, so
then front flush with the top,
So the easiest thing's gonna be to do to lay this flat like this.
and then put these beside it.
Correct. We'll lay both of these on those sides, just like that.
All right, so we're working on the accent X's on the edges now. I didn't film before because we kind of didn't know exactly how we were gonna do it, but I think we got it pretty down.
You just gotta cut a hair more off this. Like a glove.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect.
Absolutely perfect. And if this fits the other side, all we have to do is trace it out.
Yeah, let's check the other side.
And so.
All right, so because I already put in the shelves, the drill is not gonna fit in here to screw these pocket screws in, so I'm gonna have to do it by hand. Wish me luck. Okay, so not even the screwdriver will fit into the bottom, so what I'm gonna have to do is put the bit in and use this to grip and twist it. And you may be thinking, well, wouldn't it be easier to just take out the shelf, put it on, then put the shelf back? Maybe, but I'm fucking stubborn. That would probably help.
Get the glove back on, my hands are cold. It's a cold morning. Cold morning here in Georgia.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so today we're gonna finish this baby up. Gotta put the back angles on here. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our top together with our pocket hole screws and affix it, and then we'll get it sanded and stained, and tomorrow we'll get it all polyed up. So let's do it.
Let's get it. Now I forgot what I was gonna say. Cut.
Take two.
Alright, so all the boards are cut down to length and pocket holds, so what's next is gonna be clamping them together and screwing them together, hopefully minimizing these gaps, and whatever is still there, we sand out. That's it.
Let's do it.
Okay, I lied. Actual last thing before sanding. We're gonna pocket hole all around this so that when the top is on, we can screw up from underneath to secure it. Alright, so next step is staining. I didn't film the first coat because I was more focused on making sure it was done right, but I'll film this one for you guys. It's literally just me running a rag across it, so have fun. Alright, and that's gonna be it for today, because as you can see, I'm out of light, so I'll continue tomorrow. So today is hopefully the last day of working on it. All that's left to do is a sanding sealer on this, and then lightly sand it, and then I can start polying it. And while the sanding sealer is drying on here, I can get started with painting this. Once the paint and poly is done, all I gotta do is throw some screws in that bad boy on top of that, and put it in the room. So let's get to it. Alright, while that dries, I can get to sanding this. Okay, so we've moved inside for the final steps. We're very close. All that's left to do is to attach this to the bottom. It's just sitting on there right now. And to poly the top. So right now, I'm gonna poly the top and then let that dry. Probably do a second coat, screw it in, and then we move it in the room. Almost there. All right, slight setback. The screws that I was going to be using to secure the top for the rest of it, I was using 1.25 inch screws, and they're grabbing, but like just barely, and I'm not sure my level of confidence in that for it to be like moved around and stuff. So I'm gonna head to the store and grab some 1.5 inch Kreg screws, which may be too long. I'm gonna do a test one on a corner and see if it pokes through the top. If it does, then we gotta go with the 1.25 inch and just put it into prayer. If it doesn't poke through, then I'm doing 1.5 inch all around, just to be sure that it is grabbing and holding enough wood that when we go to move it around, it's not just gonna fucking fall off. Got the screws? Let's do this thing. And just like that, she's done. Time to put her in the room. And there it is. It's in the room. I've got it mostly set up. I still gotta do some cable management and stuff, but I think it looks pretty damn good. So now that the desk is built and I have it set up, I can say that I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. I love the feel of it. I love the space. It has been a serious game changer to my workstation setup and my level of comfort being at my computer. I had a lot of fun with this project, and it took longer than expected, but I couldn't ask for a better desk at this point. Like, this is really awesome, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process go down. That being said, I'm gonna enjoy my new desk.
Take it easy, y'all.